The Tineco PURE ONE S12 is a brand new cordless vacuum cleaner with lots of accessories, claiming to clean in lots of places, but more importantly of all, it is very smart and has a lot of very interesting features. So today we are going to have a look at what you get with this particular model, show you how it works, show you how it cleans, and show you the features that it brings to the cordless vacuum table. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I have here laid out in front of me a machine that is very new, just released to market, and I have one to review and look at. I've had this for a couple of weeks now. I have been using it first, so I can tell you all about it more reliably. And here we are today. So, the box it comes in looks like this. It is a very nice box, very premium feel to the branding. Everything packs away in there very nicely indeed. But we'll move that out of the way so we can have some more space so I can show you everything else. It comes with a very comprehensive set of tools, which is nice to see. First thing to show you, probably quite important, is it comes with a second battery. That is right, there is a battery in the machine and a battery that you can have out of the machine. Now, to go with the battery, I shall show you the wall dock. You have to have this up on the wall. The machine will not charge unless it is in this dock. But obviously when the machine is docked, like so, one of the batteries sits in this part here and charges along with it, so you always have a fully charged battery. Each battery lasts for about half an hour, depending on the settings you use it on, of course. And then you can simply swap out the charged one for the dead one. Nice and simple, so that is good to see. This is the wall charger. Mine being a pre-release model has a US charger. They'll have a UK one when they're released. You have a double-barreled jack, one of which it all plugs in under here. One charges the battery, one charges the machine, so that's nice and compact. Obviously this is my adapter, so I can use it in the UK. What else do you get? You get a nice crevice tool, a combination dusting brush and upholstery brush, very nice soft bristles on that. You get a long crevice tool as well, with a little brush on the end of it, so you can get down all your tight spaces. It's nice and long on its own, let alone with the extra little brush on the end of it. You get a larger soft dusting brush, nice soft splayed bristles there for dusting some your delicates or your larger areas. You get a small motorised turbo tool there. You get this, which I shall show you in a bit. This is the filter cleaning tool, because yes, again, you get two filters. One is fitted to the machine at the minute, and this is the other one. And the idea with this is you pop it into there, fit it, oh, let's pop the battery back in, fit it to the machine, and it spins and sucks all the dirt off of the dirty filter. These little brushes inside there caressing and brushing the dust off and then being taken away with the suction. You can also keep the filter in there as well, which is what I've been doing, and then just swapping it around as and when I need it. You get the old extension wand, nice wide dirt path there. Good height as well. This is on my model, this is the only tool you get. This is the hard floor and carpet brush. Other models do come with a dedicated hard floor brush, and I think a adjustable elbow for the tools, so you'll have to look at that when it's released. This has this, and this is a very good head actually, does groom better than the V11 torque drive, I have found, and picks up both. It's got LEDs on the front, which is surprisingly more useful than I thought. I've always thought they were a little bit of, you know, you don't need them, but when I'm under the table, it's quite handy. I have saved myself sucking up many things I didn't want to. And here we have the cleaning unit itself. It is a nice handheld design. It's quite light. All the weight is nicely balanced. You have the screen on the top, which shows you the battery life left. This, which is the dirt sensor, elaborate on that in a minute. It's on auto at the minute, which is where the dirt sensor works, but with this touchscreen panel here, you can adjust the suction. You can go from manual power back to auto, and the machine itself starts in auto when you pull the trigger. You can also do with this machine is lock it on, which is very handy indeed, and I have found myself missing it when I have been using the V11 after using this. So there we go. This is everything you get with this particular model, the S12. There is a model below this and a model above this. Details to be advised. You also get an exhaust filter. I probably should have shown you before. And I've used this now for a good couple of weeks, and that is actually pretty spotless in there. I'm quite impressed with that. That is a little. It's washable. You can rinse it out and wash it, and that just sits in the back there, like so. Yes, very, very good. The other thing that this machine has is a Wi-Fi app. The Wi-Fi app connects up to the Pure One via Wi-Fi, the machine having it built in, as you can see from the little Wi-Fi symbol that is on the device. And when you tap on your machine, you can see some information about it. Our battery is at 97%, our filter is at 99% cleanliness. And when we turn the machine on, we can control the machine via the app, which is quite good. You can also see statistics, so this is my use of it throughout the time I've had it. It's picked up the dust, in the measurement of the dust. I've used it for 37 minutes in total. Pre-filter has been used for 0.6 hours. I said to clean it after 50 hours of use, and you can reset that countdown timer when it does. And the battery is at 95% now. But you can see all about the machine itself. This is handy because I can use it to show you the automatic dust sensor on the cleaner. To use the Pure One for carpet cleaning, you simply connect the extension wand, connect the floor tool, and pull the trigger, or lock it into place. Cleaner has a built-in dirt sensor, so as you can see, whilst I'm cleaning around this room, the circle on the machine and on the app, although I'm using the app for ease of showing you, turns red when it detects that dust is being picked up. It goes back to blue when the area is clean. The Pure One, in its automatic default mode, has an acoustic sensor to detect the dust and adjust the motor power accordingly, as I shall now demonstrate with some mice on the floor. That ramps it straight up into medium power and back down to low when the mess is cleaned up. The Pure One is very manoeuvrable. This head has some nice swivelling action to it, enabling you to thoroughly clean every area you could possibly want. And also, if you want more power, simply increase it to its maximum 500 watts of suction power, like so, for a thorough deep clean, or again go back to auto for just daily mess pickups as required. It's nice, you have the ability to tailor it to your cleaning needs as and when you need to. Emptying the Pure One is very simple. You can just push this button at the bottom to release all of the dirt, close it back up, and you are ready to go. Or for a deeper clean, this button at the back releases the entire cyclone assembly, and again you can remove the filter and then you can twist out the inner shroud for a more thorough clean. You know, you can wash it, rinse it out and dry it, so it's always clean and tidy. Then simply clip it back onto the machine like so. To clean the filter, you take your previously cleaned filter out of the filter cleaning tool. You take the dirty filter out of the machine and pop it in the tool. You pop the new filter in, obviously, otherwise you're going to have a bad time. Fit it to the machine, and then the machine runs it for a minute. It knows that this is connected, so all we have to do is wait for it to finish its cleaning cycle. Put my hand away so you don't think I'm holding the trigger down. And once completed, it turns off and you can simply just put this tool away until you need it again. And with our cleaned up filter, we can simply attach one of the onboard tools. And clean up all the mess that we had just made. Pure One is also very good just for general dusting and cleaning, being light enough that I can even do this doily, all these fake flowers, picture frames, the lot. Obviously all of these tools fit onto the main wand as well, enabling you to clean high up cobwebs as and when you require, or indeed picture frames. So there we go, folks, that is the first look at this Pure One cordless cleaner. Very good, I have been very impressed with it. We'll show you more in depth of everything it can do, and also how it compares to the V11, which I'm sure you're all going to want to know. That will come in time. For now I thought I would focus just on the machine itself. So, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.